Amagarobe umuya umwancho murigere rwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii kerongwege na ritkoria ondigendrete ko bari toero kigima na neno gendrete kwego kya asoko bwatemero berion siegeta seni kya Ndizi TV ekerorire ritkoria ijuma tariki kyanda cyomutienyi Ikomi na kabere omwaka bw'ekibibere na 2022 neritkobono ensenkima ego chengera gose ekorigereria igoro yokorwania kwobokurumi awaseke ombege korwania obokurumi Ethics and Corruption Commission gendrete kobeka emirobere isaine yoko ene kiabuna obokurumi bwabeire bokoera anene imeyense ya Kenya tinga kingi ya kero cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mogoroba ekerongo kwariganiye ryo kumanya narayana kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenye nyorana bakondra gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na bogo tweetwetra at Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yaito ni gora tonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendrego gosemia na boigo gokumanyia amanke eretriane Everline Osero oltokubatra nere kwene kiawe kera sensemo yimanyerero ni gakoro kwa Auta kabana ntwiko moerio Mwancho muligere libonongo kwariganito ntoya chaka senchera yobwenye kurwase county ya Kisii awase klabu ya Shabana FC kyaberege ko yarigania SS Asad ase egosori entangani magega yokora tenena asegeka kemyaka 3 egosori eyo nigegendrete ko gosori wa asegeti yechigosori kya Gusii Stadium awase goikaboni gabna tokogende mbeo klabu ya Shabana FC getangaine ase okobeka egoria yemo ase bosa Mwancho muligere yoroboti orunigo rogendrete ko bwati wano murikyo itwamana yechigosori ndemo Stephen urwara chiko koretera senchira yobo ikirano ekerera aragense mo nabo igo Chinsa isato cyamugoroba togotikana nayo nigo muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto arude okoboria asechi University kwenekia obwa matiborobuya net sector au chiabantu nyane bunenchira yemo yogokinia amagendero okwana se University ya Masinde Muliro imeye county ya Kakamega achinga kicho kobekerwa egu kwa baorokiwa Ruto waigonigo aine kiabuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza negendrete korwa omuchango ye asechi University erego kinia emiroberio ao.
We are looking forward to the universities and other institutions of higher learning being the hub of the development of our human capital, the most precious asset that we have as a nation. And it is my vision that Kenya shall be the country that will provide the most modern, sharpened, and intellectual human capital to serve humanity, starting with our continent. And I have said that I am looking forward to, in another 3 years, our human capital being the single asset that earns us our foreign exchange. I expect institutions of higher learning like Masinde Muliro not only to train, but to also focus on how the men and women they train will find opportunities locally, regionally, and internationally to contribute their talent, the knowledge, and the expertise that they have acquired in this institution towards the development of our country, our region, and our globe.
Asomo yego yonigo omu cabinet secretary Musalia Mudavadi abaga kubekerwa egutwa ya maskani ase amangana yo murembe na boigo amagendro ukwana chinga kiecho nigo akambya mono asokonyore gutweyo na kuboria baria bonsi baba kubekerwa chigutwa kwene kiabuna nko twara bara maskani na boigo koriya chinchera cyo kwegenderera bya asamayimabo.
Let me extend my warm greetings and congratulations to all of you, my fellow graduates, as you set out on the next steps of your journey and as you cross many more milestones that mark your achievements. Proudly recall the values that most gave you and how it empowered you for success. Use it for the betterment of society. I dedicate this honorary degree bestowed on me today to those that have believed in me over the years, and that includes my wife Tessie, and to all those who have been injured in our country in the struggle for peace.
Na sensemo yaye umuwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machoguni gabagania bali bonsi babekerwa kigutwa ko bekyorokererekia nabo igo gutumeka kisemi no bungaini buli banyorire eryo kwegendereria asama imabo.
Ever since the year 2006, when Masindo Muriro was given a charter, we have had 43,000 graduates from this university, so the 3,800 are joining the alumni, and we are urging them to be good ambassadors out there. Do not forget the values you have learned here, values of honesty, truthfulness, competence and commitment. That is what will clearly make you stand out in the job market.
Ekiombe kiobomo bwechinse yunigo kiago keire getambukiro kense ya Kenya ase okusako asoko bomustari mutwe kwegerera amangana y'obusibure kurengana babwatani korwase ekiombe kionigo batere munanere bya chinse chonsi ase orogongo rwa Afrika wochamo na kubwatrana eriyo gosuka oseko kwegerera obusibure nabo igo kwenekia omorembe.
I think Kenya has been one of those countries that have demonstrated leadership, and we have seen democracy seriously entrenched. We have seen transitional government over the years, and I think it's a good thing to show. We should be able to showcase some of the good things that is happening in Africa. We should not look at the few areas where we have minor issues or the gray areas to present a picture as if it is all over Africa and things are not working. But I think there are many countries, Kenya being one of those countries, that is demonstrating that kind of environment that is reflective of good governance, respect of the rule of law, and democratic credentials.
I want to say this also, Africa will not develop without our own participation, and without also the participation of the ordinary citizens of Africa. It is not the responsibility of the leadership of the African continent to develop Africa, but we need a concerted effort. Everybody has a role to play. Whether you are media, whether you are civil society, whether you are at the political leadership, we need to put our efforts together so that we take Africa to the next level.
Ekiombe getenerete amangana yokurwani obokurumi mense ya Kenya Ethics and Corruption Commission EACC nigo kiaene kire bunamba begetemero biresaine yogo chiago kora okounengiwa kwa masakara gosekwa masakara ya masomo ayo anena banta banke bagutumeka chinga kichokori kwa emeremo anena se serikali chech county ayo abanke babo ibaro kanire bagutumeka atari amaronge korengana n'umuteneneri bw'ekiombe kyo ase orogongo rwa Rift Valley Ignatius Wekesa niga tairona nigo baguchekorosia ase abantu bunabo barachekobekwa eriyo gochia kogambiwe kina.
Employing people with fake documents and irregular employment. Once we investigate and we find out that somebody was employed using fake documents or acquired a job irregularly, what we are doing is that apart from filing the criminal suit, we are also filing the civil recovery for the salary that person, that officer has earned over that particular period of time. That's what we are doing as a punitive measure, so that we avoid a situation whereby somebody is just taken to court criminal and he goes away with the salary, which he got from the government and he was not qualified for it. As a country, our moral fabric has gone down to levels that we cannot ascertain. And we, as Ethics and Corruption Commission, what I can say is that we have investigated various cases of fake documents, and we liaise keenly with the Qualification Authority of Kenya. We also liaise with Commission of Higher Education and the respective universities that those certificates are purported to have come from.
Abanyagatari korwase county ya Mombasa nigo bagosereire gochia kogendera no mugirobo goika amagani yabo abeire ka goikiraniwa korengana barabo nigo abuko niga amagani yabo korengana no kuiwana kuri babete bakobeka ataraikiraniwe gento batere na nigo bagwetera chingongu nonyono wakana chinyomba chire bamenyete nabono baganirie serikali kwenekia buna nkorigererie rengane yo nakoyegayana erio na barabo bairane asemeremo nabayigo ko bachinga chinyororo cyokorwa bokoreri gochia sabana nchi.
Tumejaribu, tumevumilia miezi aliyotaja daktari hapa bila mishahara. Madaktari wenu hawawezi kulipa nyumba, hawana tikiti ya kuja kazini, na kwa hivyo kuanzia Jumatatu hatutakuwa na huduma za afya katika jimbo la Mombasa, katika hospitali za umma, kuanzia za zahanati kutoka sehemu zote hapa Mombasa. Jomvu, Changamwe, Nyalikisauni na Likoni na hapa Mvita. Tumeng'ang'ana vya kutosha, lakini hatuwezi. Hatuna chakula, hatuwezi kutoa huduma bila sisi ni wanadamu. Gavana wenu amesema kwamba tumpe siku 100 aweze kujipanga. Hatujui ni mwanadamu yupi ambaye atakaa siku 100 bila chakula, siku 100 bila kulipa rent yake. Kwa hivyo pia akifafanua vile tutaishi hiyo siku 100 bila mshahara, tutawahudumia. Tumeenda sehemu zote kuweza kupata haki yetu. Tulienda katika bunge la jimbo, tumesikia wameenda recess ni holiday. Hatujui wao wameshiba, sisi pia tuenda recess ya njaa. Kwa hivyo tuwaomba mkae nyumbani, mtafute mahali mtapata huduma za afya, na tuwaonia pole. Tukishapewa mishahara yetu ya miezi 2, sisi tutarudi kazini.
Ense ya Kenya nigo yaenekirie gotoka wechiro yetugo asense ya Oman echo gosase tugera chikoirororo wetera ase bandari gose port ya Lamu korengana nababwatani gose nabali abatenere tamangana yetugo ime ye county ya Mombasa nigo baganiria abantu konia etugo yabo asenge nchobono nigo echiro yatokire mnenchira ya moyo gochia konyense ya Kenya kwenyorera chibesa chiokoreta magenderero.
Hii meli Banyasi hii ni mara yake ya pili kuja katika bandari hii ya Lamu, na hii meli imekuja hapa tarehe 4 mwezi uliopita ikiwa na matumaini ya kuchukua wanyama mara moja na kurudi. Hii meli ilipokuja ikachukua ikapakia na ikaenda, vile vile ilirudi haraka. So wakati ilirudi haraka ilikuwa inatarajia itakuwa tena wanyama wako tayari, naye wale wa kuleta wanyama na kuweka tayari hawakuwa wameshatayarisha. Hiyo ndio sababu hii imekaa sana, na niko na uhakika kuwa sasa ikirudi hii changamoto itakuwa ishatatuliwa. Kwa hakika ile consignment ya kwanza ilikuwa very successful, na that is why wamerudi tena. Hiyo ndio sababu tunaomba wa Kenya, leteni wanyama, soko sasa hiko ya wanyama.
Omwancho murigereri bona yonaro na kwariganiretie SMS Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ereyo bwenge kurenda yo munayenda mangi ni wora tukanyora asenchera ereyo bwekiranwe kerera aragense mona boigo Chinsa isato chamagoroba gati yabo uko muri keitokora se county ya Nyamira job mangi ni akomanya buna obeire gose kerori arengeri tukoryo korwania mangana yobo kurumi mense ya Kenya nigaba kagosanga no muwakili Charles Nyamwange oyo bori abantu kweneke abunangwa kabaroro boti ekeranene barorire amangana yobokurumi tinga kecho nigo kamati erietenenderete korinkoria obokoreri bwa commissioner bekyombe kyobo chorine chimbebe IBC bachakire ebikaro byabo byogotegerera igoro yeki na kyaba commissioner bane bekyombe kyo gati yabo Juliana Cherera, Justus Nyangaya, Irene Masit na boigo Francis Wanderi nyirabuna aba commissioner abo batato Juliana Cherera, Justus Nyangaya na boigo Francis Wanderi nigo babeire bawetiye meremo korwase okembe kyo kyabachori ne chimbebe IBC yobono mwancho murigereri amangino chikoyanyora ekero eraragense mone Chinsa isato cha mugoroba myemo nasogo chora kubana nchiko ikomoerio bali bonse bato kubatera na kweneke yago ikira senchira yobwenge na barabuni gonko bakirangambia mono nyona bakondera gotonyora sense mere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bogo tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yeto nigora to watu wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gukumanya mankere tariane Everline Osero ortwa kwatrana nere kwene kyawe kira sense mo imenyererio niga korokwa Joshua Auta twaro boligereri borobia na boigo emagorobere ntoereru.
bwansu bw'Omugusii.
Wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas.
Television ya Ndizi TV nigo yabwatiranire na Kiumbu Holiness Children's Home iliugo kolentera umurubiri asugusira abana chintakana na kubanyorera kisemi endagera nenchera yokomenya asumurubiri bwogokonya abana 112.
Ungana na Ndizi TV tarehe 18 ya mwezi huu wanapokuja kutusherekea nasi watoto wa Kiumbu Holiness Children's Home. Tunaomba muhisani yoyote ama wale wote wako na roho mzuri, wako na kitu chochote wanaweza saidia, waungane na wao ili tusherekee pamoja.
Bono na bogo tumugusira kwe bintu buna chianga amarangeti ebitamba ebitabu ebikoroto endagera nebintu binde binge guikasi chiabisi cheito cha Ndizi TV echo kirebo cy'ubwiciro ya embassy ibare kogenda nyakohe ase nyumba ya New Brighton Apartment gose otomegetoro kiao bunebesa guchia se paybill number isatenoti account number ibere noti isato isano na ibere eyemo isano na isato eyemo ibere isano Absa Bank.
Asamalieta nkoro kwa Reverend Apel Onchali director ya Kiumbu Holiness Children's Home. Yoto ko basaba obwanchane bwino no bwanje kwino okoro kuya munyare kutume bitoki bino uchiase Ndizi TV none PayPal yetonto begetensari na bakonyora ne account number kiri ubwatege ko gutuma guchiororo na musigo ndo bwese uratware onyoto uchiase Ndizi TV egere to konye abana abayiga especially ngake ya Christmas mtoganetie school fees ya abana aba bagosoma mayiga abana bari chi university abana bari chi college abana bari chi primary katogo sherekea abana baitu nabaro banyare kuyigu buyanga mbabwata abayiboli babo nonya abayiboli babo tibaya abande basirite kare lakini abo bakwunga amaene twanyoriro kubatu koboko na Ndizi TV na abanjo baya umucyo bosongose Gusii yeito
gurabe kitariki 13 cyumutinyo yo 12 umwaka w'ibukiro bwibere na 22 Chinsa isano n'isato cya mugaso asobo menyo bwabo aliense mu ya Kiumbu ogo konya kwa ukwa rero nigo kugucha gonchoria obugima bw'umwana ntakana ankyo
Karibu Kiumbu Holiness Children's Home.
Ndizi